Welcome, Milano family. So today on our Milano cooking show, we're going to be whipping up these super snappy, really easy weekday enchiladas. We used green enchilada sauce, and better yet, we used leftover rotisserie chicken. Look at this. It's delightful. So stay tuned, the recipe is going to be down below, but watch. So let's do this. So we're going to take our chicken, we shred it a little bit. We're going to put this great pepper jack cheese in here. I'm going to save some for the top. All right. I know, it was so tempting just to have a little snack. Anyway, so let's put some sour cream. Again, let's save some for the top. We're going to mix this all up. So we've got the cheese, the chicken, some sour cream. Alrighty, then we're going to put in some chili powder to give it a little kick, a little zip. Alrighty, some red pepper flakes. That's good enough. Some salt. And some pepper. If this isn't easy, I don't know what is. I'm going to put in some green chilies. Let's just get a clean spoon. Not too much, but it's also good for the decor on the top. We're going to put some green onions in as well. Again, saving some for the top. I'm going to put some green enchilada sauce. I got 2 cans. I like to have it juicy, and I'm also going to put some at the bottom. And we're going to add on a little bit of olives, cut up olives. Cheated, they're already cut. So nice. Okay, so you're really just going to whip this up. And again, this was already cooked, so you don't have to do a thing. I've got the oven preheating at 350. I mean, think about this. When you're coming home, you can whip this up. I mean, it's literally going to take me, what, 5-6 minutes to make this whole thing. So it's all, look at this. Can you see it? Looks great. Let's add in a little bit more cheese. And this is actually the boar's head pepper jack with a little bit of jalapeno. All we're going to do, we're going to take our little tortillas, our flour tortillas. We're going to put a little doppel of the chicken here. That looks a little fat, a little chubby. And we're just going to roll it on up. And we're going to continue. Oh, excuse me. Hold on. So sorry, guys. I wanted to put some enchilada sauce on the bottom of the pan. Don't forget that. It really does make a difference. I only had 2 made, so no big deal. Okay, and so I still have another whole can to actually add a little bit more to the bottom. Get this all around. Okay, we're going to pop these back in. And we're going to continue on. Move this to the side. All right, so now we are going to take the cheese, put a little on it there, then I'm going to layer it with some more of the green enchilada sauce. All right, we're going to put a little more cheese now. Again, we're layering. We're going to add, and it's pretty too. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. Okay, we're going to add some green onions. Lovely. Very nice. Maybe some olives. Give it a little color. Let's get look at these. Okay, now we're going to put a little bit more of the chili powder. Give it a little red, a little color. Some red pepper flakes. Okay, we're going to add on just a little bit of the chilies on top. Just a little bit, just a little something. I'm going to save the rest of this for others that may want to add more. We're going to save the sour cream. I'm going to put a little bit more of the salt and pepper. We're going to cover it and again, pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes and we will see you in 20. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. I've got my sheet that I have actually here. So let's cover this. And at the end, I'm going to take the foil off to really get that cheese a little melty. So we're going to pop it over this way. Okay, so we're going to do about 15 minutes with the foil on, and then we're going to take it off. All right, so we did for 15 minutes with the foil on, took the foil off for the last 5, and look at this. Is this not dreamy? Ah, look at this. Oh my goodness. And again, I used 2 cans of the enchilada sauce because I like it super juicy. So let's just take a little taste. Maybe have a sip of wine. Ah, tremendous. Oh, she's so heavenly. Just gonna put one out for now. We're gonna add a doppel of sour cream on top. You can add some chilies, you can add some sriracha or not. But look at this. It's absolutely fantastic. So, okay, Milano family, no excuses, no going out to dinner. You can make everything on your own, and this is really quick, zippy, and it's something we all can do. So, Milano family, we will see you hopefully in the showroom, or we're going to see you on the Milano Cooking Show. We'll see you real soon.